Today's Aston Martin is a 1974 V8 Coupe. It's been well known to us. It is in its original Cambridge blue. It is restored. It is in exceptional condition, and we're going to take it for a ride and talk about it further from the road. Okay, well, we're going to go straight to the fuel station because the reserve light is on, and that is definitely telling us something. Car is warmed up. There is no real reason for a cold start on this one. She's been fully serviced. Temperatures, pressures, everything are as they should be. It has led a charmed life. It is in excellent condition. Let's put the AC on, because that's lovely as well. And we will come back to you as soon as we fill it up with fuel. Okay? Well, we filled it up with fuel. We're going to take it through suburbia a little bit and just enjoy what an Aston V8 feels like around town. It does, in fact, do everything right when they're well sorted and dialed in. They are just English muscle cars. And, you know, let's see. Let's try the horn. Town and country is a must for an Aston Martin. Everything is working. Let's turn the lights on a little bit so you can show all the dash lights are working. It is dusk. We're going to turn the lights off in a minute because it is not dark yet. It's no surprise that I'm prejudiced. I love V8 Astons. I think they're exceptional cars to drive anywhere, in comfort, in anger, with 4 people, if you so desire. They sound great. We're going to take it down onto our twisty road, put it through its paces a little bit, do our flybys as usual, and make no mistake, for any of you who are repeat viewers, I am not really sure what to say any longer because this is sort of a menu. The twisty road, the farm road, temperatures, pressures, air conditioning. Either it's a good one or it is in need. We tend to go through it, make sure that if it is in need, it is serviced, sorted, so that when it goes to its end user, it is ready. We'll say she's a good one. She has been owned by several Aston collectors and enthusiasts alike. It's been on a couple of different continents. It's been through our shop. She was traded towards a V8 Vantage, a flip tail. So she's just looking for a home that's suitable without wrecking it going to the left here. Although I think between us and the Volkswagen, I'm just saying, I think we'd win. Wouldn't be much left, but we'd win. So we'll see you on the flybys in a couple seconds. hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're headed towards our farm road. The windows are open. We're enjoying a lovely, lovely autumn evening. As you can see, she cruises with the best of them. We're enjoying the fact that it's got an uprated gearbox, which many will say is better than the ZF 5-speed from the factory. I think there's 6 half dozen the other, but the gear ratio are actually exceptional. We'll show you right now. We do second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and rather than third, rather than run into the school bus, we're just going to show you a quick burst of acceleration. There's not much else we can tell you other than it's got great brakes. Again, I'm prejudiced. I love V8 Astons. I think the early cars are some of the best. It's got a little bit of the DBS V8 era. I like the chrome bezel gauges, the black dash, the cool air, which works just fine. I very much like the larger bonnet scoop. It just looks tougher. So it is for someone who wants this particular look. An early car. They don't come to market often in this exceptional condition, well sorted and serviced, and we're gonna bring her back, clean her up, and put her back in the showroom and await any questions anyone may have. So I hope you enjoyed this road test as well.